Alright, so this beat here, this beat's like very simple. It's only like 8 sounds. I started it off with like with an effect for the beginning, you know. But so I just basically used this sound here. It's just an organ. It's just an Akai organ. String here makes it sound mean, right? And this bass is from Cycle Kit 5. I love that bass. I use it a lot. And I added this voice here. This voice is from the repository. It's voice 6. I use that too much too, but that gives it like the soul feel, right? And then these drums, basically these drums are from like the budget kits that are on the side, you know. So it's like. So let me show you the organ that's from, let me see. So that's here. And this is the organ here. You know. These organs are sufficient. Alright, everybody. Peace.